Aqeel is going to say something about digestive system. Can we hear Aqeel? Hi Aqeel. Hi. How are you Aqeel? You're fine, right? We'll say a few words about digestive system. Say hi to all.
Hi. My name is Aqeel Lukman. Today I talk about the human digestive system. Human digestive organs are mouth, teeth, tongue, esophagus, stomach, liver and pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, rectum and anus. Digestive system starts from the mouth. When you eat the food and crunch your teeth next to the saliva. Then it goes to esophagus. It goes to stomach. There's a lot of fluids and gastric juice. They make the food melt. Liver and pancreas help for the bile secretion. Then it goes to small intestine. Maximum digestion happens in the small intestine. Then it goes to large intestine. What